Hello and welcome to today's video lesson. My name is Joanne and today we're going to be focusing on the IELTS Academic Writing Exam. The focus of today will be on essay structure and planning. We will be looking at both Task 1 and Task 2. This lesson will look at how to structure and plan your essay, and what we can learn from the marking criteria to help us do this. Be sure to check out the other videos in this series for more help and information. First, let's take a quick look at the structure of the IELTS exam. As you can see, it lasts 1 hour and is split into two parts, Task 1 and Task 2. Remember, Task 2 is worth more than Task 1. So I suggest spending around 20 minutes on Task 1 and around 40 minutes on Task 2. Remember, this timing should include both planning and checking. Today, we will be looking at how to plan and structure your essay. Remember, there are 4 marking criteria for Task 1 and Task 2. Each is worth 25% of your total score for Task 1 and Task 2. Remember, in Task 1 we have Task Achievement, and in Task 2 we have Task Response. I suggest completing a few practice essay questions and identifying your weakest area so that you can work on it. In later lessons of this video series, we will look at how to improve each area in detail. So make sure to check those videos out. You will be able to find a link to the full marking criteria below, so make sure to also check that out. What marking criteria are you most worried about? Let me know in the comment section. Now, let's take a look at how to structure an essay. In previous video lessons, we have looked at the types of graphs, tables, or charts you might see in Task 1, and the types of essay questions you might see in Task 2. So, now you might be wondering, how should I structure an essay? How to structure an essay will depend on the type of essay you are writing. But in general, you should always have an introduction, main body, and conclusion. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and check out our other videos. You can find loads of useful links in the description below. Let's get started.